This show is the 5th tape in the Arithmetic Readiness Program in the growing VideoSmarts library. Information and material in this tape reviews material covered in earlier tapes. Those tapes are numbers 1 to 5 and comparisons, numbers 1 to 20 and comparisons, addition and math signs, and subtraction. And now, Teachin' Teddy presents Number Quiz.
Little boys fishing in the sun. How many boys? Just one. This pretty little girl, his eyes are blue. How many eyes? 1, 2. How many redbirds sitting in the tree? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, how many pussycats playing on the floor? Not 1, not 2, not 3, 4. Numbers, numbers everywhere. They even tell the size of our underwear. 5 alligators going for a drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, numbers, numbers everywhere. I love you, baby. I dig you, man, yeah.
Hi, Teddy.
Hi.
We've already learned a lot about numbers, haven't we, Teddy?
You bet.
We've learned about numbers and numerals, counting, sets, comparisons, and math signs.
Yeah, we know that we use numerals to stand for numbers. We can count things using numbers and numerals.
That's right, Teddy. And we can group things together to make sets. And we can compare sets and numerals using signs. And do you know what we can do with everything we've learned, Teddy?
Count to a bazillion?
Well, we could if there were such a number. But we can also add and subtract.
Hey, that's right. I know all about addition and subtraction and numbers, but maybe we should go over it all just one more time.
Good idea, Teddy. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Review everything we've learned about numbers. Do you remember how to count to 20, Teddy?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Won't you help me count? Won't you help me count my single-digit numbers? Come on! 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Won't you help me count? Won't you help me count my single-digit numbers? The double digits start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on! 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hooray!
That's great! You remember how to count numbers from 1 to 20. And when we want to write down numbers, we use numerals to stand for the numbers.
I'm ready to answer some questions now.
All right. Find the space with the numeral 3.
This is the numeral 3. It stands for the number 3, like 3 apples or 3 crayons. 1, 2, 3. 3.
Find the space with the numeral that comes after 4 and before 6.
The numeral 5 comes after 4 and before 6. It stands for the number 5, like 5 kittens or 5 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Good, Teddy. Now find the space with the numeral that comes after 3 and before 5.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comes after 3 and before 5, like 4 walruses or 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
The numerals 0 through 9 are single-digit numerals.
Are there more numerals?
Sure, you remember, don't you, Teddy?
Let's see. After 9 comes 10.
And the numerals 10 through 20 are two-digit or double-digit numerals. Find the cat with the numeral 10.
This is the numeral 10. It's called a two-digit or double-digit numeral because it has 2 digits. The numerals 1 and 0. It stands for the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10!
Find the car with the numeral that comes after 16 and before 18.
The numeral 17 comes after 16 and before 18. The numerals 1 and 7 are the two digits in the double-digit numeral 17.
Okay, let's try one more. Find the car with the numeral that comes after 18 and before 20.
The numeral 19 comes after 18 and before 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Terrific, Teddy! You remember all the numbers and numerals from 1 to 20. And we can use numbers and numerals to count things.
That's right. I remember how to count things, like my blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 blocks.
That's a set of 5 blocks. Do you remember what a set is, Teddy?
Sure, I remember what a set is, but I forget right now.
Teddy, my boy, a set is any number of objects, similar or different, that are grouped together. You remember our song, don't you, Teddy?
Absolutely. We've learned something important, you bet. A group of objects is always a set. No matter how many, no matter how few. If there's one or more, it's a set. That's true. To find out how many you have in a set, just count them up and there's nothing to sweat. The number of things we count in a set tells us how many. You bet! A group of objects is always a set. This is something to never forget. A group of objects is always a set. This is something to never forget.
Good! Find the space with the set of blocks.
This is the set of blocks. And we use these two symbols to indicate that these blocks are grouped together in a set. Find the space with the set of dogs.
This is the set of dogs.
That's right, Teddy. Now here are 4 sets of rabbits. Find the space with the set of 2 rabbits.
This is the set of 2 rabbits. 1, 2. 2. 2 rabbits.
Look at the 4 sets again and find the space with the set of 3 rabbits.
This is a set of 3 rabbits. 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits.
And this set has more rabbits than the set of 2 rabbits. We can compare sets to each other and see how they are alike and how they are different.
That's right. We can compare the set of 2 rabbits to the set of 3 rabbits and see that the set of 2 rabbits has less rabbits than the set of 3. That's how they are different.
Excellent, Teddy. Now find the space with the set that has more peanuts.
This set has more peanuts. The other sets only have 2 peanuts, but this one has 5. So this set has more peanuts.
That's right. Now find the space with the set that has less moose.
This set of 1 moose has fewer moose than the other sets of 2 moose. 1 is less than 2, so the set of 1 has less than the set of 2. In the middle is a set of books. Find the space with the set that has the same number of books.
This set has the same number of books. The set in the middle has 3 books, and this set has 3 books too.
Then we say the 2 sets are equal. If 2 sets have the same number of things, the sets are equal.
So, We can say a set of 5 animals is equal to another set of 5 animals.
That's the ticket, Teddy. There are all kinds of sets. Why, you can even have a set with nothing in it at all. We call it the empty set.
Find the space with the empty set.
This is the empty set. There's nothing in it.
Absolutely correct, Teddy. It has absolutely nothing in it. No animals, no moose, no books. 0 animals, 0 moose, 0 books. And here is the numeral that stands for the number 0. 0. This empty set has 0 books. There are lots of ways we can compare sets, and we have signs we can use to show the comparison between sets.
I remember. A sign is a mark or symbol that stands for something, like a stop sign or a no parking sign.
That's right, Teddy. Just as a numeral is a sign that stands for a number. We'll use lots of signs and symbols as we learn about arithmetic.
I have some symbols I'd like to share, 4 special signs to help you compare. Help compare numerals, numbers, or sets. Each sign sends a message I want you to get. This symbol says more than, this symbol says less than. This one says equal to, this one unequal. Ooh, these are the 4 signs I want to teach you.
More than, less than, equal, unequal.
Now I'll explain what you should do with each of the signs I've shown to you.
The signs we use to compare sets are the greater than, less than, equal to, and unequal signs. You remember those signs, don't you, Teddy?
You bet.
And when we put a sign between 2 sets, we have a number story. Look at the sign that compares these 2 sets and press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it is false.
The number story is true. A set of 5 monkeys is greater or more than a set of 3 monkeys. And the sign between the 2 sets is the greater than sign. It looks like a teepee on its side pointing to the right. A set of 5 monkeys is greater than a set of 3 monkeys.
Okay! We can also use signs to compare numerals. Look at the sign that compares these 2 numerals and press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it's false.
It's false. 4 is not greater than 8. It's less than 8. 4 is less than 8.
Very good, Teddy. Find the space with the numeral that is greater than 8.
Nine is greater than 8. And this is the numeral 9. Using numerals and signs, we would write it like this. 9 is greater than 8.
Look at the sign that compares these 2 sets of ducks. Press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it is false.
The number story is false. The sign between the 2 sets is the less than sign. It looks like a teepee on its side pointing to the left. And a set of 4 ducks is not less than a set of 2 ducks. A set of 4 ducks is greater than a set of 2 ducks.
Look at the sign that compares these 2 sets of cars. Press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it's false.
The number story is true. A set of 2 cars is less than a set of 3 cars. In the middle is the numeral 2. Find the space with the numeral that is less than 2.
1 is less than 2. If you wrote it down, it would look like this.
Excellent, Teddy.
These questions aren't too tough for me.
8 is greater than 5. 5 is less than 8. Point the tip to the smaller set and you will do just great. 9 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 9. Always read from left to right and you will do just fine.
All right, Teddy, try this one. Look at the sign that compares these two sets of marbles and press the yellow button if the number story is true or the blue button if it's false.
The number story is false. The sign that compares the two sets is the equal sign, and a set of 4 marbles is not equal to a set of 1 marble.
Look at the sign that compares these two sets. Press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it's false.
The number story is true. It's an unequal or a not equal to sign, and a set of 3 balls is not equal to a set of 2 balls.
Very good, Teddy. A set of 3 balls is not equal to a set of 2 balls. A set of 3 balls is greater than a set of 2 balls.
Well, had enough, Teddy, old bean?
I don't want to stop. Let's answer some more questions.
Try this one. Here is a number story using numerals instead of sets. Press the yellow button if the number story is true, or the blue button if it is false.
The number story is true. 6 is equal to 6, and 5 is equal to 5, and 4 is equal to 4, and 0 is equal to 0.
That's great, Teddy. You remember all the signs for comparing sets and numerals. But we can do a lot more with sets and numerals than just count and compare them.
We sure can do a lot with numbers.
Oh yes, we sure can, Captain of Life. Here's another sign. It's an action sign. It's the plus sign.
You can take 2 sets or more and join them together. Take 2 sets or more and combine them into one. You can take 2 sets or more and join them together. This is called addition, and addition's lots of fun.
Okay, Professor, take it. The plus sign says take these sets and join them together. The plus sign says take these sets and combine them into one. The plus sign says it's time to act and add these sets together. The plus sign is an action sign. It tells what's to be done. Ho-ho! Hey!
So a plus sign tells us to join 2 sets together.
That's right, Patrick. A set of 3 stars plus a set of 2 stars joined together to make a new set of 5 stars.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, focus your attention on the center ring as the set of high-flying Grabowskis attempt to join the low-flying Burgonias for a breathtaking union of 2 flying sets. The 2 Grabowskis spin, and the 2 Burgonias catch them. Yes! A new set is formed! A set of 4! 4 flying... what are you going to call yourselves?
Is the Flying Smiths, of course. In the middle are 2 sets of pineapples. Find the space with the new set of pineapples made by adding the 2 sets together.
A set of 1 pineapple plus a set of 2 pineapples equals a new set of 3 pineapples. 1, 2, 3. 3!
In the middle are 2 sets of mustaches. Find the space with the new set of mustaches made by adding the 2 sets together.
A set of 2 mustaches plus a set of 2 mustaches equals a new set of 4 mustaches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try this one. In the middle is a set of 4 hot dogs. Find the space with the 2 sets that join together to make the new set of 4 hot dogs.
These 2 sets, a set of 3 and a set of 1, join together to make a new set of 4 hot dogs.
Very good, Teddy. We use the plus sign to join 2 sets together.
And we can use numerals to stand for the number of objects in each set. So, we can use the plus sign to add numerals.
In the middle is a number story using 2 numerals, the plus sign, and the equal sign. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
The answer is is 2. A set of 1 plus a set of 1 equals a new set of 2.
In the middle is another number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
The numeral 3 makes the number story correct. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Let's try one more. Find the space with the numeral that will make the number story in the middle correct.
Three plus 1 equals 4. So the numeral 4 makes the number story correct.
We must combine two signs to tell the number story. A plus sign alone won't bring the story to an end. We must combine two signs to tell the number story. A plus sign and an equal sign are the very best of friends. Teddy!
We must combine two signs to tell a number story. A plus sign alone won't bring the story to an end. We must combine two signs to tell a number story. A plus sign and an equal sign are the very best of friends. Hey, I just noticed something. Every time you add 1 to a number, the answer is the next highest number. Just like counting. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right, Teddy. Very good. Let's try adding some other numerals. Find the space with the answer to the number story in the middle.
The answer is 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Now, find the space with the answer to this number story.
The answer is 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6.
That's right. In the middle is another number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
Plus 2 equals 8. The answer is 8.
Terrific, Teddy. Find the space with the answer to the number story in the middle.
The answer is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Now, find the space with the answer to this number story.
The answer is 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7.
That's right. In the middle is another number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
The answer is 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9.
By Jove, I think he's got it.
We're gonna sing this thing now. Let's go! Oh! It is easy to learn arithmetic. Arithmetic's fun, it will give you a kick. There's no great trick to arithmetic. It's just different ways of counting. The science of numbers, arithmetic is, but you don't have to be a genius or whiz to learn to use arithmetic every day to help you work and help you play. Get 'em, boys! Let's do that arithmetic shtick! Oh!
I want more questions.
Okay, Teddy, take it easy. Find the space with the answer to the number story in the middle.
The answer is 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Now, find the space with the answer to this number story.
The answer is 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7.
That's right. In the middle is another number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
Six plus 3 equals 9. The answer is 9.
Excellent, Teddy.
These questions aren't too tough for me.
Good. Try this one. Find the space with the answer to the number story in the middle.
The answer is 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8.
Okay, find a space with the answer to this number story.
The answer is 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
That's right. In the middle is another number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes this number story correct.
The answer is 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9.
Great work! Now you really know how to add.
It's easy when you remember everything we've learned about numbers, numerals, sets, and number stories.
You have a good memory. What's your name again? Just kidding.
Of course, the plus sign isn't the only action sign. The minus sign is another action sign. You remember the minus sign, don't you, Teddy?
Of course.
Find the space with the minus sign.
This is the minus sign. It's an action sign that tells us to take away or subtract part of a set to make a new, smaller set.
If we have a set of 5 stars and we take away or subtract 2 stars, that leaves a smaller set of 3 stars. 5 stars minus 2 stars equals 3 stars. In the middle is a set of 5 stars. Find the space with the number of stars left after we take away or subtract 1 star.
If we take away or subtract 1 star from a set of 5 stars, a set of 4 stars is left. 5 stars take away 1 star equals 4 stars. 5 minus 1 equals 4.
Excellent, Teddy. Let's try a number story using numerals. In the middle is a subtraction number story. Find the space with the numeral that makes the number story correct.
The answer is 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now find the answer to this subtraction number story.
The answer is 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. If you have a set of 8 and you take away or subtract 6, all that's left is 2.
Very good, Teddy. Let's try one more. Find the space with the numeral that will make the number story in the middle correct.
The answer is 0. If you take away 4 from a set of 4, nothing is left. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The numeral 0 stands for nothing. A set with nothing in it.
It also stands for something else, Teddy.
Really? What?
The number of questions left in our review of numbers, numerals, sets, signs, addition, and subtraction. We've covered everything, and we have 0 questions left.
That means we should have an empty set. But I'm still here, so I think I'll practice adding and subtracting numbers. Let's see. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now, what's a zillion plus a bazillion?
I think that's a question for another day, Teddy.
A day not too far from today, Teddy. So, for now, why don't you just sing the song, kiddo?
You get a bright start with VideoSmarts. Down the road to learning, you get the right start with VideoSmarts, and I know we'll enjoy the journey because learning is fun for everyone. And the big surprises will never be done because the more we learn, the more we're gonna wanna learn and learn and learn and learn. The more we learn, the more we're gonna wanna learn, the more we know. The more we're gonna wanna know, the more we grow. The more we're gonna wanna grow and learn and know and learn and grow. So, you get a bright start with VideoSmarts. Down the road to learning, you get the right start with VideoSmarts. And I know we'll enjoy the journey because learning is fun for everyone. And the big surprises will never be done because the more we learn, the more we're gonna wanna learn and learn